Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok video private. So first let's open up TikTok here, then you want to press your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, where you then want to press these three little lines, the hamburger menu in the top right hand corner. This will pop up this little menu where you then want to select settings and privacy. Then you want to come down to the content and display section where you then want to select Activity Center. Within the Activity Center, you should see towards the bottom, Manage Post Visibility. Press this, where you then want to find the TikTok video you want to make private. So let's say this one here. You then want to press Next, and then select Only You or Friends. And that will then only be shown to the friends if you select that. Or if you select Only You, it'll be private and only you can watch that TikTok video. So that's how easy it is to make a TikTok video private. If you found that video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.